Here we have Brugmansia, also known as Angels Trumpet. I have the deep yellow flower variety. I have no idea what it's called. Now, these plants are extremely poisonous and toxic. The flowers, leaves, stems, and trunk, it's all toxic, so you gotta be careful. They release the most amazing smell at night time, but don't get too close.
But take your own risks, and I think it's good to handle as long as you wear gloves and you make sure to wash your hands afterwards.
Alright, let's take some cuttings. So I'm standardizing my Brugmansia because I think they look nice that way, but that means that these little offshoots have to go. So they'll make perfect cutting material.
When taking cuttings, it's very important to notice hardwood, softwood, and semi-hardwood cuttings, but with Brugmansia, it sends roots like no tomorrow, so you don't really have to worry about that. Just take cuttings off a plant, stick them in water, trust me, they'll work.
Alright, let's head back. We'll process them a little bit more and then we'll put them in water. So with your cuttings, you'll take off the bottom leaves, and because we want the plant to mainly focus on putting out roots and not working in the leaf department, we will cut a few of those top leaves, which will just give that plant a little helping hand to send out roots. Also chop off some stem just to make it more size appropriate for that jar. Now you need to keep a few leaves just so photosynthesis can still happen. But they can work without leaves, I've seen them work, but I personally prefer to keep some sort of leaf at the top. Fill that jar up, chuck your cuttings in, discard your spent leaves into your compost, put your stuff away, and go live your life for a couple of weeks. Wait, actually, yes, wash your hands. Yes, with soap, man. Keep a close eye on them, because before you know it, you'll have this. Beautiful, beautiful roots. Alright, take it out and let's pot it up. You know the deal. Potting mix down the bottom, put that cutting in, and fill the rest of that pot up. Give it a water, and don't be tempted to start a big watering regime for the rest of your plants.